Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI.
I recently got my hands on the SUNYA Archery hip quiver. The 3 tubes for arrows keep everything organized, while the accessories pockets are a handy touch for storing any essentials that you might need. The adjustable waist belt ensures a comfortable and secure fit, making it easy to concentrate on those important shots. If you're into compound or recurve bow practice, then I would highly recommend this hip quiver. It's definitely worth considering. I love how it streamlines the process of grabbing arrows and makes it really convenient to have everything at your fingertips. It's not just a gear accessory, it feels like a tailored solution to the needs of an archer. I appreciate the attention to detail and it's designed, it's very well made, and it's clear that it's crafted by archery enthusiasts. So if you are looking for one or you want to get it as a gift, then I would say this is 10 out of 10. I'm really impressed with the quality, the ease of use, and how you can put it in your backpack as you are hunting and pull it out when you need it. It truly enhances your archery experience.
And that is my point of view.